Hey, welcome to another show. If you're looking for the best stabilized handheld gimbal for your action camera or your GoPro Hero, then this is the product for you. It is quite the improvement from the G5. This is the G6. Stay tuned. Let's do a quick unboxing of the 3-axis stabilized handheld gimbal. This is the G6. Very exciting. Comes in a beautiful box. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I am super excited to be trying this out. Hey, take a look at this. This is awesome. I love the case that this comes in. All right. I tell you, this show is like Christmas every day here. This case is nice and well insulated, foamed right away. It has an envelope. Let's take a look inside there. The instruction manual, I presume, has a warranty card. I mean, usually a company will just leave this, right here, but they include it in a nice envelope. So, hello, hey, right away, I can see the time that they are putting into this product. And it's important because when you are looking for a stabilizer, you want the best that there is. All right, let's go ahead and take this out here. Comes with a little box. Let's see what's inside this little box right here. Has some different little bolts, a USB, and another connector. And right here you have a 3.6 volt battery. So right now let's go ahead and set this up with my GoPro camera and we're gonna go have fun in the field. This amazing G6 3-axis gimbal is so easy and fast to set up. I was able to set up my SJ cam as well as my GoPro in just a small amount of time. The gimbal itself is very solid and feels great in the hand.
I'll follow you.
After you first set up and balance your camera, just hold the start button and it's ready for action. It's pretty cool on how it activates and balances itself. We went to the fair and my little ones were always on the run, and following them with my gimbal, I was impressed with how stable the video was. It just gives all the video shots now that professional stabilized shot. Here's another shot where we're at the county fair and my son and daughter are looking at the cows, and you can see I'm getting some incredible shots. And here's some other types of animals that we were looking at also. You cannot get these types of shots without the gimbal. It always gives you that professional, stable look.
Focus. How's that? How's that?
Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show today. I love this G6. It adds that professional look to your videos. Very easy to use. I think you're going to love it. I'm going to leave a link down below in the description where you can find this on Amazon. Like always, have a fun day. Adios. Bye-bye.